DJI Agra's T50 Routine Maintenance, Delivery Pump Disassembly, Assembly, and Maintenance. 1. Delivery Pump Disassembly. Unscrew the delivery pump elbow nut and pull off the hose. Unscrew the delivery pump rotating sleeve and separate the pump from the T-shaped connector. Unscrew the pump protective cover. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the two nuts on the delivery pump motor housing and remove the housing. Disconnect the connecting cables. Rotate the pump housing alignment line to the arrow mark and remove the pump housing. Remove the impeller. Unscrew the 3 screws on the delivery pump motor. To separate the isolator from the motor. This completes the delivery pump disassembly. 2. Delivery pump maintenance. Clean the impeller, isolator, and pump housing. Check the pump housing, impeller, and isolator for wear and shaft breaks. If there is damage, please visit the nearest repair center for service. After cleaning, replace the motor sealing ring and isolator sealing ring. 3. Delivery pump assembly. Screw on the isolator and motor screws. Check for thread slipping and replace if necessary. Reinstall the impeller, fit back the pump housing, and ensure the housing alignment line matches the corresponding mark. Connect the delivery pump signal cable. Screw on the delivery pump housing screws. Reinstall the delivery pump back to the mounting bracket, tighten the rotating sleeve, reconnect the hose, and tighten the elbow. Thank you for watching.